Hey there, welcome to the channel. So I'm on the kitchen floor, and while I like to try to keep my messes up above on the counter, it doesn't always happen. Sometimes I spill things like oil or egg, and it hits the floor. But I've got an easy way to get it up off that floor in no time. I'm Jamie with SavorySaver. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. So please consider hitting subscribe and let's get started. All right, so the easy cleanup for this, here's our egg, here's our oil. I've got some egg here from the bowl. Take out the table salt. Sprinkle table salt all across your egg or your oil. Give it just a little bit of time because it needs to absorb that oil and that egg. Once it's had a minute or so to soak it up, get a paper towel in there. That's going to get up most of that mess, and then just go behind with your favorite disinfecting cleaner and give it a quick wipe. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave any comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.